That is a modified version of Dolphin 3 LLM. In the next 3 minutes, I am going to show you how you can get and modify it your own as you wish. These AI models probably get banned soon, so don't be late, download and store them. First, we need to download Ollama. Just Google Ollama and open the official Ollama website. Choose your operating system and download it. I'm currently using macOS, but I've done this on Windows too. The process is exactly the same. After downloading, install the software and open it. When you run Ollama for the first time, you will see a few models by default. You can also use cloud models like GPT, DeepSeek and others, but that's not what we want. We want an uncensored model that runs offline on our own computer. Keep Ollama in background and open terminal. If you're using Windows, use PowerShell. Further process are exactly the same. We want to run a command, Ollama run Dolphin LLAMA 38B. The first time we try to run Dolphin 3, it is not downloaded yet, so it starts downloading automatically. I already downloaded it on another user account, so I don't want to download it again. Let me stop this process and switch to that user account. OK, after the model is downloaded, it starts running automatically. If not, you can type the same command again. It will start quickly because the model is already downloaded. Now, let me try the exact prompt here. Write a Python code to hack a Wi-Fi password. Even though Dolphin 3 is an uncensored model, it still does not give us the code, so we need to create a modified version with our own system prompt. First, we need to create a file to write our system prompt. I type nano, Dolphin uncensored model file. When you try this prompt, it's going to open an empty file. I have already created that file, so I have opened it. You need to write first line and this, exactly same as I have done. After that, you can type your own prompt. I will drop my prompt in the description. After all, press Ctrl O and press Enter to save the file, and Ctrl X for exit. To create our new model using that file, enter this command. After successfully creating the new model, type Ollama run, Dolphin uncensored. Now let's try that prompt again. Write a Python code to hack a Wi-Fi password. Here we go. Now you have an uncensored offline large language model. You can also use it inside the Ollama app.